Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add return policy on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, go to your Shopify admin panel and go to settings, scroll down, and here you will find this policies option, so click on it. And here you will find shipping policy, terms of service, and privacy policy, and refund policy. So inside of refund policy you have to put your text and click on save, and this is how we can add refund or return policy on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.